Hello, welcome to the tip of the week with Nadine Lajoie at NadineRacing.com. This week, my tip for you is enjoy the nature. Enjoy the forces of the waves, of the sun, of the fire, of the beach, of a tree, of everything around you. Listen to the birds. Smell a flower. Just really enjoy every moment. Just breathe at least 3 times consciously to enjoy the nature. When is the last time you did that? Appreciate a sunset or a sunrise. Just smelling a nice flower, looking at the beauty around you. Listen to the sound of the birds. Everything around you this week, that is your practice every day at least. Appreciate nature, take a 3 deep breath and really enjoy. Have a great week and see you next week at NadineRacing.com. Thank you.